Seagulls. So the way that this works, we have to first be sure that our thumb is fully weighted onto the string. The best way to know. We notice that at no point am I lifting up, otherwise we get harmonics. When the entire time I am weighting my thumb down onto the fingerboard and the string. So now the next part of this is, instead of physically applying weight to the fingers, the third finger is where we kind of want to end, we are actually creating this false harmonic, or as I like to call it, an extreme tickle note. And that is seagulling. If we were to apply weight on the fingers, that is a DQ, because then we get sort of this guitar riff when we're really after just touching, kind of like tickle twinkle. The difference being, of course, the thumb is the new nut back here.